Okay, so my name is João Redol. I am the R&D manager of Neutroplast, and Neutroplast it is a company dedicated to the production of pharmaceutical packaging, and we've been in the market for overall 30 years, and that's it about the company. Well, it was actually a fun part because we have been working in the past years into the digital process of the company, and we've been working with how do I call it a scientific association called SETI, and they had mentioned that there was this voucher and for digitalization and that we were ready for it. Well, it's never easy to in order to go for new projects, and there are also another side is that you need to have the company ready for it, because if you don't have the company ready and at a certain level, it's not possible in order to implement these projects. So many. It was really tough because we are not a software house, and so we are an SME and a normal industrial company, and so we don't have the knowledge in-house in order to implement this sort of projects, and so we had to search for the right partners, and we have also searched for an academic institution in order to help us. And that was one of the most important parts. And the other big hazard, it was with every equipment that we wanted to touch and to acquire the signals and then get the data, it was really hard. We've been since September every week, one day together with all this large group, either in-house but also remotely, in order to make the whole design of the solution. And this was the worst part, because after implementing, it's much easier if you have everything drawn. Well, actually, Oliver, he is from a complete different industry, and so I think that was the most important thing, because we got another input and from a different technology. Well, I think it's still not doing it, but it is going to be a major change, meaning that we have a level of digitalization in the company, which is that we can acquire all the regular data. But now with the digital twin, we can actually, it's not just working on the OEE of the company.
Yeah.
But we can actually add also another sort of services. Yes, of course. Although it's not easy to do it and to have the company ready for it. Okay, that definitely yes. Almost all our partners told us that this was really unique in Portugal, at least. Okay,